Alright, man. We're back at it again with this fun of a project. So, what I got going on here is that I'm probably going to have to take off all of this and take a look at my spark plugs. I don't know if there might be a spark plug that might be causing this knocking noise or if it's a lifter. But I'm gonna check the O2, not the O2 sensors, man. That O2 sensor has caused me some paranoia. But I'm gonna take a look at the spark plugs and see what's going on there. I was gonna start the car to actually kind of get it a little warm just so I can see what's going on and make sure I can really identify the noise. It sounds like it's coming from back here. One of the spark plugs back here. Can you believe it? My hand's ashy again. But anyways, yeah, it's one of these spark plugs back here is what it really sounds like. It's either that or it might end up being my timing chain that I might have to take a look at. But as of right now, I got the battery charging over there while I dismantle this yet again, and then take a look at those spark plugs. But I'm gonna start taking all this stuff off and then kind of going from there. So I'll check back in with you guys once all this stuff is off.
3 days later.
Alright, YouTube. I ain't even gonna cap. I know you guys can see that it is dark. So long story short, I got dirt all on the inside of my spark plugs. Let's see if I can get you guys to see. So, there you go. Look at that. Look at all that in there. Don't know what the guy before me had on the car, and I should have cleaned it. Something told me to just clean the engine, man. Clean the engine. The engine bay, at least, whatever you want to call it, man. And I didn't. So now I have to take a look into, hold on, let me set you guys up. I gotta take a look into that. And then I ended up buying some, I tried vacuuming. Vacuum couldn't get all the way in there, so boo for that. Then I tried hitting it with this little air pressure that my girlfriend Kara has for filling up the tires. That didn't work because the acorns are too heavy, so I had to go and get this. Some good old air in a can and light this up. Oh. Whoa. Okay, don't do that. That's a no-go. It's a little too close, and honestly, I'm not doing that again. Oh my God, that was awful. Damn. Ugh. Look at that. I'm really gonna have to get up in there. It's this tube that's not long enough. Hold on. Let's go to the truck. Where is that car? Yeah. Look at that big boy. Hopefully, I don't even look like it's longer than the one I got. Ah, damn. It's not. Look at the tomfoolery. Same size. Congratulations, you played yourself. You know what I should get? I should get this on top of it. But that's not gonna do it. none of these got anything. All right, YouTube. Well, I'm probably gonna have to go old school with this and take those two things together and kind of just mess with it like that. I'm gonna set this up and then keep you guys posted once I start to make some headway. All right, guys. Maybe I might have been able to find what this problem with this car. Dude, hold on, let me see if I can get you in there. Let me zoom this up. Come on. We're gonna get you in there. We're gonna get you in there so you can see what I'm dealing with. So I got freaking acorns in my goddamn spark plugs. Maybe that's why my car is acting so weird. So we're gonna get these acorns out and then kind of go from there. But I want you guys to know that after I finish this side, I'm going inside. Because to be honest with you, this is not it. And I'm gonna do this in the daytime so I don't have to continue to see if more acorns make it into my car. Car is about to be a tree next season. I don't know what this guy had. He must have just had the hood off and just letting everything fall inside, man, because this thing is crazy. But, all right, guys, I'm gonna get back to y'all and let you guys know more of the process. I got 2 spark plugs out. Look at them bad boys. Let me let it focus. Look at all that. You sit there and tell me that looks, like it's a good spark plug. I mean, from the tips, they're not that bad. I'll show you guys in the daylight. And honestly, they're not that bad, but with all these acorns and all that stuff, and I got a fresh new pack of these, I'll probably end up just putting the new ones in, because to be honest with you, why not? I'm already this far. Just put the new ones in. But all right, guys, I'm gonna get back to y'all.